Hello guys, good morning. Once again, here I am. Already cooked the rice. The water still boiling. I know, still going. The water is not yet boiled. Guys, have a blessed Wednesday. Have a great day. Begin our day with a grateful heart. You know, guys, someone someone told me that if you do comment of any post, you must uh, don't use sticker only. If you use sticker, must put word because it will detect by Meta. It's my source is legit. That's why, guys, if you're going to comment any post, must put a word if you use a sticker. Alright, guys, it's a big help also. Me, I'm doing this. I'm not, you know, maybe I cannot get my payment because of some reason. I don't have any valid ID. My temporary national ID is not approved, and also my voter's certification. I went to SSS last day. They said no schedule for SSS ID, all branches of SSS. That's why maybe it's okay if I cannot get my payments. Never mind. I'm still posting from my memories. I'm enjoying posting posts in Facebook. Okay, guys. Think, stay safe always. God bless us all, guys. Okay, bye.